Hello and welcome back to Neblu Healthy. Have you ever considered eating just one meal a day? It's trend known as the OMAD challenge. This concept is a form of intermittent fasting where you consume all your calories in a single meal. The meal typically happens within a specific time frame, often a 1-hour window. What makes this eating pattern interesting is that it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat. It's a dieting strategy that's been gaining traction among health enthusiasts and fitness buffs alike. And it's not just because it's a novel idea. Advocates claim that the OMAD challenge can lead to various health benefits. Some argue it can improve your digestion, boost your energy levels, and even support weight loss. But, as with any lifestyle change, it's essential to approach it with a well-informed perspective. Now that we know what OMAD is, what effects does it have on our bodies? One of the main reasons people try OMAD is for weight loss. By limiting your eating window to just a single meal, you naturally reduce your overall calorie intake. This approach creates a caloric deficit, which is the key to losing weight. You're essentially burning more calories than you're consuming. It's simple math, really. Now here's where it gets interesting. Certain studies suggest that intermittent fasting, which includes the OMAD diet, could potentially give your metabolism a bit of a boost. This happens because fasting may increase your resting energy expenditure. That's how many calories you burn while at rest. Imagine your body as a car. Fasting might just be the turbocharge that revs up your engine, but weight loss isn't the only potential benefit of OMAD. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover more about how this unique eating pattern might impact your body. So buckle up, we're just getting started. OMAD may also have a positive effect on insulin sensitivity. Let's break this down. When we eat multiple meals throughout the day, our bodies release insulin to help process the sugar in our blood. This constant release of insulin can sometimes lead to what's known as insulin resistance, a condition where our bodies aren't as responsive to insulin as they should be. This can be a precursor to type 2 diabetes. However, by eating only once a day, we limit these insulin releases to just one major spike. This may make our bodies more efficient at using insulin, as they're not constantly having to process it. As a result, this could potentially lower the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. So, in essence, OMAD might improve our body's relationship with insulin. Improved insulin sensitivity is just one of the potential health benefits of OMAD. Some people report improved focus and mental clarity with OMAD. This might sound surprising, but there's a logical explanation behind it. When we constantly eat, our body spends a significant amount of energy breaking down and digesting food. This process, known as thermogenesis, can occupy up to 30% of the energy obtained from the meal. Now think about the OMAD challenge. When you're eating only once a day, your body isn't constantly engaged in digestion. This means it has more energy to allocate elsewhere, such as to your brain. The result? Potentially improved concentration and productivity. This is not a universally experienced benefit, as everyone's body reacts differently, but many OMAD followers have reported this unexpected upside. It goes to show that our bodies are incredibly adaptable, and we're still discovering new ways to optimize our health and well-being. However, like any diet, OMAD does come with its challenges. While OMAD has potential benefits, it also comes with challenges. Let's pause for a moment and consider some potential complications you might face when adopting this eating pattern. Chief among them is the possibility of nutrient deficiencies. When you're eating only once a day, it can become a Herculean task to fit in all the vital vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Think of it this way. You're trying to pack a whole day's worth of nutrition into a single meal. That's a tall order, even for the most dedicated health enthusiasts. It's entirely possible to end up shortchanging your body on essential nutrients, which can lead to a host of health problems down the line, including weakened immunity, poor bone health, and even cognitive issues. Another potential pitfall is the risk of overeating. When you're only eating once a day, it's easy to feel like you've earned the right to eat whatever you want during that one meal. However, this can easily lead to consuming more calories than your body needs, negating the potential weight loss benefits of the OMAD challenge. Lastly, the OMAD diet might not be suitable for everyone. People with certain health conditions such as diabetes or low blood pressure, pregnant women, and those with a history of eating disorders should steer clear of such extreme forms of fasting. It's important to remember that while the idea of eating once a day might sound appealing, especially for those seeking weight loss or improved focus, it's not without its challenges. This is why it's absolutely crucial to ensure that your single meal is nutritionally dense, packed full of the right balance of proteins, carbs, fats, and micronutrients. You'll need to be strategic and thoughtful about what you put on your plate. But even with careful planning, the OMAD diet is a significant shift from traditional eating patterns and can be tough to stick to in the long run. It's not just about willpower, it's also about listening to your body and feeding it what it needs. Before you consider trying OMAD, consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs and help you navigate any potential challenges that may arise. After all, your health is too important to leave to chance. So there you have it, an overview of the 1 meal a day challenge. We've journeyed through the intriguing concept of consuming all daily calories in a single meal and the possible health benefits it might bring. From potentially aiding weight loss and boosting metabolism, to enhancing insulin sensitivity and even sharpening mental clarity, the OMAD challenge is indeed a fascinating subject. But let's not forget the possible hurdles. It's paramount to remember that nutrient deficiencies could arise if your one meal isn't nutritionally dense. Therefore, careful planning is vital to meet your body's requirements. Before you decide to embark on the OMAD challenge or make any significant changes to your diet, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique needs and health status. Now, before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Neblu Healthy. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching and stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.